Radhe Krishna, sharing with you a traditional snack recipe, Vellai Appam. For making the traditional Vellai Appam, here I am taking 1 cup of idli rice, half cup of whole urad dal. Soak this in water for about 3 hours and then grind it to a smooth batter. Here I have already prepared the batter. The consistency should be thick, just like a vada batter. Add salt, chopped ginger, green chilies, curry leaves chopped, and whole pepper seeds. Mix all these spices very well with the batter. We are going to make small balls and drop them into the oil. If you are not comfortable using the hands, you can also drop them using the ladle. Do try this traditional snack recipe Vellai Appam and serve it with spicy coconut chutney. Let me know your comments in the comment box.